Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So last Friday on the 5th of June, I let you know that Chrome 151, which is the latest Canary channel inside a preview build for the browser, removed the ability to get uBlock origin back and working, and I wasn't able to apply the workaround in Google Chrome Canary 151. I'll leave the video linked if you'd like some more information. Now, in regards to this, some more information has come to light, and it does look now like Manifest V2 extensions like uBlock Origin are entering their final phase of deprecation in Google Chrome. And this is according to a recent discussion thread in the W3C Web Extensions Community Group GitHub repo that has highlighted how the latest and upcoming versions of Google Chrome are expected to be its final releases with support for MV2 extensions. So if we head over to that post, Google Chrome 149 will be the last version fully supporting MV2. So that will include extensions like uBlock Origin, which currently in 149, the workaround is still working, as I've mentioned. Now, if we have a closer look, it's said here, Google Chrome team just started removing the flags responsible for MV2 availability in Google Chrome. Specifically, here is a copy of message from Devlin. Now, that message from Devlin, I'm going to read in full. And Devlin is a Google engineer and has said that Chrome has now started removing the flags that previously controlled MV2 availability. And this is what he has to say, and I'm quoting, MV2 extensions are no longer allowed in any supported version of Chrome, and we are removing support for them and the associated functionality. We won't be able to provide and or maintain this functionality indefinitely due to the complexity and tech debt, as well as the security risks it entails. Of course, other browsers can continue supporting these if they so desire. Unfortunately, we won't be putting code behind a compilation flag. We won't be removing all the MV2 code wholesale right away, so many of these things will continue working for a while, but they will go away eventually, and some may go away sooner than others. I can certainly understand the desire to keep using these extensions. Many of the Chromium forks plan to continue supporting MV2 indefinitely. So that's according to Devlin Cronin, who is a Google engineer. So that's why I wasn't able to get uBlock Origin back and working in Google Chrome 151, which is currently the early preview version of the browser in the Canary channel, but it is still available in version 149. I can use the workaround, and that seems to be, as mentioned, living on so-called borrowed time, and it seems that by the next release, there's a very good chance that uBlock Origin and MV2 extensions using the flag and command line flag workarounds will not work, according to what we are seeing over on GitHub and according to the Google engineer. Now, here's something interesting. If we scroll down to this section, as of June the 5th, 2026, and by the way, June the 5th was last week Friday, and that's the exact date I noticed and posted on the fact that uBlock Origin could not be enabled using the command line flag and the workaround in Chrome 151, which is the Canary version. And here's a timeline, because 150 lost extension manifest V2 disabled option, that's in the beta. And here 151, which is Canary, will likely lose allow legacy MV2 extensions, which is the command line flag that enables MV2 extensions like uBlock Origin. So as mentioned, there's a very good chance that Chrome 149 will be the last Chrome version that will support the workarounds for uBlock Origin and MV2 extensions. So interesting stuff. I said when this all started happening, when Google started moving from MV2 to MV3 extensions, that it was only a matter of time before they pulled the plug on everything, including workarounds, to get those extensions enabled in the browser. So just giving you guys a quick heads up that it seems that workarounds days are numbered, and just wanted to put it out there to keep you guys in the loop. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.